Morning, friends. Today we read Isaiah 55, verse 11. So shall my word be that goes forth from my mouth. It shall not return to me void, but it shall accomplish what I please, and it shall prosper in the thing for which I sent it. Please pray with me. Father, I trust the power of your word, teaching me that what you say does not return empty or ineffective. Teach me to speak your word with faith and confidence. Let me align my declarations with what you have already spoken. Stir me to speak your promises over my life, because your word carries purpose and power. I declare truth over fear and hope over uncertainty in saying what aligns with you today. I trust your word to work in and through me, and I walk forward confident in your faithfulness. Amen.